Guess what it's doing?
What?
It's still raining. But we're making some calls and updating our area book. So we're out of the rain. I had to drive in it today. It was terrifying because our windshield wipers don't work. It's great. We need to get our new car ASAP. But I do love the rain. It's good. I've been playing in it.
She has. Yes. It's been good.
Look at her. Look at how cute she is. She's so cute.
No, my hair. Blech.
Whatever. Whatever. Look at my hair and now look at her hair. She looks flawless.
Oh my
She
gosh.
is the Beyonce
Thank you.
of looking good on your mission.
Yes, but
This
she-
one,
Oh,
this one,
yes, my
this one.
face,
this one.
but your clothes.
I think you have cute clothes too. Well,
Goodwill for life.
But anyways, this is our companionship. It's a good time. We have fun. Okay, bye.